Hey everyone, welcome back to Step Up. Today I'm going to be showing you what we use to clean vinyl flooring. As you can see, we have kids and pets and things like that. So if you get like a paint or a marker on your vinyl plank, what you're going to use is this. This is what we use to clean most of our glue and things on the vinyl. So what you need to do is just like, let's say for example, you put a tape on it and try to peel the tape off, and it leaves you with marks like this. Or here is a pencil mark, permanent marker, even a pen, and here we have paint. So all you need to do is just to spray it with this. You get enough, it goes everywhere. You know, I always like use my finger to rub it so it gets in all the paint. As you can see, this is already coming off. Here's a paint, and here's a permanent marker. It's just coming out so easily. Here's a pencil. You know, paint. Just rub your fingers. And just give it a few minutes, okay? 5 to 6 minutes. So after 5 to 6 minutes, you just need like a little cloth and just to wipe. You want to make sure everything is coming out. You're gonna do that a few times, like this. Just need to scrub a little bit harder, slightly more. There you go. See, it's a little more emphasize. If you get something like this, just give it a little spray again. Okay, if it doesn't come out, just give it a little spray again. No. Okay. So, it's easy or very clean and vinyl plank. So if you're looking for something to clean your vinyl plank, if you have a stain on it, a pencil mark, a pen mark, permanent marker, paint, whatever, you can get this. All right, as you can see, it's all nice and clean. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You can go to our website, www.stepupvinyl.ca. We have a ton of video on how to install vinyl on your floor, on your stairs. So we are a business, we make vinyl stair nosing. So please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.